golden rule of great design is form follows function. Great design originates from great problem solving. The answer to every brand or object design problem originates from inside the brand or the object itself. Design 101 tells us that form follows function. So if we understand the purpose or function of the brand or object we're asked to design, we are simply tasked with making the function of the hero of our design. Poor design occurs when function is subjugated by form. Form always follows function in any good design. Once we understand the function, as designers, we are simply tasked with tactically executing our design by following best guiding principles to create its form. If executed in a traditional Swiss Bauhaus style, this will be done in the most simplistic state. If the design is executed in a decorative manner, a specific visual style will emerge. 7 secrets of great design. The foundation of all great design, and the worth of any specific design, stems directly from the designer's ability to master and effectively utilize the following essential elements of successful design strategy. 7 secrets of great design. You must truly understand the material you need to communicate. You must truly understand your core target audience and speak to them in a language they understand. You must understand the nature of your communication task, and you must understand your competitive and market trends. You must simplify the design to its most basic and memorable form. Your design should be endowed with a big idea, and you must deliver your message with excellence in design execution. This process works every time it's tried. Ignore or avoid any one of these elements in the design process, and you will reduce the level of communication effectiveness, the quality and value of your design. Every design executed with passion and creativity that embodies form follows function and all 7 elements of successful design will, by virtue of strategic form and function, achieve the status of a great design. Design. Where do we begin? Where do we start the design phase of visualizing a brand? In the brick and mortar retail world, your package is the face of your brand. That's why it's key to begin the visualization of your brand by designing the top-selling SKU in your product line, that's shelf-keeping unit. Once this is accomplished, all of the design solutions required by the brand will fall into line. In the communication world, begin with the core of your thought or message. Simplify the essence of this, and your design will reveal its natural solution. Do not start by copying the competition and what their accepted thought process is, but start with the basic truisms regarding your product. Begin with what you know to be true and build your brand from these premises, not from what others have accepted or the path of things that they've always been done. Start with a brand mantra. Now, with great thoughts of creativity filling your head, let's get down to identifying mandatory requirements and start by assembling the essential elements of communication. The best design solution for your task already exists inside your brand mantra, as defined in our Secrets of Branding video series. Your job as a designer is to uncover the solution and intensify and express the brand mantra verbally and visually. Just to review, the brand mantra is the genetic code for which your brand, consisting of 3 words that stand at the core of your brand and best define who you are and who you are not. It epitomizes the essence of your brand and the core value that your brand offers the customer. It's the sole reason that customers will part with their money for your brand. For example, Starbucks. The brand mantra is rewarding everyday moments. Nike. Authentic athletic performance. It's the job of the designer to unlock the innate value and benefits within the brand DNA and the service or product itself, presenting these values to the audience in the most favorable manner, reflecting the brand essence. Commercial design holds no place for the prima donna, the egotistically driven, or the self-anointed design god. Marketing is a business about pleasing customers and not about catering to other designers' favor. A designer who seeks to impress their design buddies by forcing a brand into an unnatural form that happens to be trendy at the moment is a crime against the brand. As a designer, your responsibility is that of the choreographer for your brand at every customer touchpoint. You're the steward of your brand, and the brand has its own distinct identity. Never follow the trendy style of the day or put forth by other designers who don't comprehend basic branding principles. Design starts with a brand compass. Creative execution is the last phase of the brand building process. The design process can occur only after we have established the brand. Once the compass of the brand is set and we fully understand the brand's unique selling proposition and the brand mantra, we're ready to begin the design process. The unique selling proposition, or USP, and the brand mantra guide our creative efforts, assuring that what we create reflects, resonates, and aligns with our brand's core culture and message, keeping our work focused, on target, and within our brand goals.